Let's build your ultimate 2026 roadmap for picking the absolutely perfect data analyst certification. Ready to dive in?
Why care? Because business intelligence analysts are looking at a median salary of $116,000. The stakes are massive too. These data careers are projected to explode by 35% over the next decade. Your actual earning potential, well, that depends heavily on two major things: your education level and your specific location.
But honestly, experience is the real driver here. Average salaries basically double as you move from entry-level to senior.
So with endless certification options out there, ask yourself, what's your exact goal for the next 12 months?
Next up, we got to figure out your starting point. You're likely a beginner, self-taught, or already working with data. Absolute beginners, you need broad foundations. Skip the advanced machine learning stuff and focus strictly on basic data cleaning.
Self-taught but kinda inconsistent? Grab a structured career track to turn those scattered skills into a super confident story.
Already working in data? Intro courses are useless for you. Hunt down tool-specific credentials to snag that next promotion.
Broad paths build basic knowledge, sure, but targeted, tool-specific training actually aligns you perfectly with your exact target jobs.
Take Microsoft Power BI, for instance. It's totally dominating right now as a massive trendsetter for business intelligence.
But heads up, just getting a certificate isn't enough. You have to prove you can actually apply it practically.
So try this brilliant trick. Reverse engineer your local job ads to build a personal skills heat map. It works wonders.
This heat map visually spells out exactly which certification guarantees job readiness based on your specific local market demand.
Listen, a certificate isn't magic. You got to take that piece of paper and turn it into undeniable, rock-solid proof.
Transform basic course assignments into a stunning portfolio. Recreate analyses using real, public datasets from your target industry. For example, take a super generic sales dashboard and rebuild it with public retail data to solve real problems.
Your whole goal here is shifting from a simple logo collector mindset into a completely job-ready, portfolio-driven professional.
So, I'll leave you with this. Are you ready to stop collecting logos and finally start building your career?